Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to start chapter 6, that is algebraic expression and identities. Exercise 6.1. The first sum of this exercise is find the product of the following monomials. You know, these two terms are the monomials. Now we have to do the product. So first of all, I will put the sign of the multiply in between these two terms. Now, whenever we multiply the monomial with monomial, then we have to write down first of all the constant. Here the constant is 1 and the second term the constant is minus 3 over 4. Now, we have to take all the variables together, that is xy multiplied by xy. So, this become minus 3 over 4. X, beta multiply with the x into x, it become x square. Y multiply with y, it become y square. And the second part of this sum is 4 m square over 8 minus 2n square over 6 s square over 5. Again, we put the sign of multiply here. 4m square over 8 multiplied by minus 2n square over 6 multiplied by s square over 5. First of all, take all the constant together. 4 over 8, the second term, here the constant is minus 2 over 6. In the third term, the constant is 1 over 5. And all the variables together, that is m square, n square, l square. Now do the cutting. You know, 2 1s are beta, 2 4s are 8. 4 cancel out with the 4. We are left with the minus 1 and 6 5s are 30. And the variables m square, n square and l square. This is your answer. Now, the third part is 8x cube y cube comma 0. Now, we again multiply both the term 8x cube y cube into 0. And you know 0 multiply with any term, it is always 0. Sum number 2 of exercise 6.1 is find the circumference of a circle whose radius is beta 7ab minus 7bc minus 14ac. This is the radius r. Okay? And the pi, value of pi, it is always 22 over 7. Now the formula of circumference of circle, beta, you have to learn this formula, that is 2 pi r. Right? Now I put down the value here. Pi, it is 22 over 7. So it becomes 2 into 22 over 7. And the radius, it is given to you, beta, this. That is 7ab minus 7bc minus 14ac. Now 2 into 22, it is 44 into 7. Now beta, 7ab minus 7bc 14, it can be written as 7 into 2 ac. Now you know in the bracket 7 is common. So I take 7 outside from the bracket. So it becomes 44 over 7 into 7. And inside the bracket the terms left are AB minus BC minus 2AC. Now 7 cancel out with the 7. So the answer is 44 AB minus BC minus 2AC. Now beta, sum number 3rd, second part, given values are A equal to minus 3, B equals to 1 over 2 and C equals to minus 4. You have to find the value of the following minus 3b over 9 into 4c square over 7. First of all, write down the expression, that is minus 3b over 9 into 4c square over 7. Now beta, you have to put the value of b and c here. B, it is 1 over 2. So it is 1 over 2 multiplied by 9 into 4. C, it is minus 4. So I simply put the value of c here. Now it become minus 3, 2 into 9 into 4. But a minus 4 square, it means I will write down minus 4 2 times. Now do the cutting. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. 2 1s are and beta 2 2s are 4. It become minus 1 over 3. Minus minus is plus and 4 4s are 16, 2s are 32 over 7. Now again do the multiplication of these two terms. You will get minus 32 over 21. This is the answer. Now, sum number 4 is find the product of the following. And the statement is 9l square over 11 plus 3m square over 8 multiply m square over 6. This is binomial and this is monomial. Whenever we multiply the monomial with the binomial, we have to multiply the monomial with each term of the bracket beta. N square over 6 multiplied with nl square over 11 and then n square over 6 it is multiplied with the 3m square over 8. That is 9l square over 11. It is first of all multiplied with n square over 6. Now there is a plus sign, so I put the sign here plus. And the second term is 3m square over 8. It is multiplied with n square over 6. Now beta, multiply constants with each other and then variables with each other. Here 9 over 11 into 1 over 6 and l square n square. In the second term, I write down the constant together, that is 3 over 8 into 1 over 6 and variables together, that is m square n square. Now do the cutting. 3 2s are 6, beta 3 3s are 9. It becomes 3, 11 2s are 22, l square n square. Again do the cutting. 3 1s are beta 3 2s are. It is 1 over 8 2s are 16, m square n square. Now these are unlike terms, so we cannot simplify it further and this is the required answer. Now the second part is 0.1 into bracket 0.29y square plus 0.3yz minus 0.6 zx. Now we have to multiply 0.1 with the first term of the bracket, then with the second term of the bracket and then with the third term of the bracket. And then we have to simplify it further. Now see, 0.1x multiplied with first of all 0.29y square, then plus 0.1x multiplied with 0.3yz, and in the third term there is a minus sign, so 0.1x multiplied with 0.6zx. Again beta, take all the constants together and variables together. 0.1 multiplied with 0.29 and the variable here is x y square. Again second term 0.1 multiply with 0.3 and variables are here x y z. These are multiplied with each other. And the third term is 0.1 into 0.6 and the variables are x beta and here is zx. Right? Now do the multiplication of these two numbers. 0.1 into 0.29, it is 0.029 xy square. Again I multiply 0.1 into 0.3 and it is 0.03 xyz. And in the third term 0.1 multiplied with the 0.6, it is 0.06. Beta x also multiply with the x. It becomes x square z. This is the required answer. Sum number 5 is simplify the following and the statement is a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab minus a plus b bracket a square plus b square minus ab. But there are two terms, that is first term minus second term. I simplify both the terms separately. First term I will take a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Now this is binomial and this is trinomial. When I multiply binomial with the trinomial, we multiply each term of the binomial with this bracket. Then I take the second term of this binomial and multiply it with this bracket. Look at how. A, first of all I multiply a with the whole bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. Then take the second term, that is minus b of the first bracket, and multiply with the whole bracket of the second term, that is a square plus b square plus ab. Now do the multiplication. A multiplied by a square, it becomes a cube beta. A multiplied by b square, it is ab square. when a multiplied with ab, it become a into a square b. Minus, whenever there is a negative sign, we simply change the sign inside the bracket. Now, minus b a square, minus b when multiplied with b square, minus plus is minus and it become minus b cube. Minus b multiplied with ab, it become minus ab square. Now, see the like terms. ab square, here is also ab square. This is plus and this is minus, cancel out with each other. Now, the next term is a square b. This is also a square b, beta. Again, this term, it is cancel out with this term. We are left with a cube minus b cube. Now, take the second term of your given expression, and that is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. We again follow the same steps here. A multiply with the whole bracket, a square plus b square minus ab, and the next term is plus b multiply with the whole bracket, a square plus b square minus ab. Now multiply very carefully. A multiply with a square, it become beta a cube. A multiply with b square, it become ab square. A multiply with ab, it become minus a square b. Now, in the second bracket, b multiply with the all terms of this bracket. So, it become b a square. B into b square, it become b cube. B into minus ab, it become minus ab square. Now, again, collect the like terms. Here, ab square, again cancel out with the ab square. And the second term is a square b, beta. This is also a square b. This is minus, this is plus. This again cancel out with this. We are left with the two terms, that is a cube plus b cube. Now, in the given expression, we have first term minus second. We have to beta subtract both the term. The first term is your, this is your first term and this is your second term. Now, the first term is a cube minus b cube, and the second term I put in the bracket because there is a negative sign, a cube plus b cube. Now, simplify it further. A cube minus b cube. Whenever there is a negative sign, change the sign inside the bracket. It becomes minus b cube. Now, a cube cancel with the a cube because this is plus, this is minus. We are left with minus b cube minus b cube. Minus b cube minus b cube. And beta, this is minus 1b cube, this is minus 1b cube, and this is minus 2b cube. This is your answer.